Okay, if you can't watch more than 30 seconds of a video, you need a T10, a T20, and a T30. There is a T20 on the back side of these headlights that you cannot really see once you get the whole assembly out. To be able to get the lens portion off, this little inside piece needs a screw undone before you can actually pry the two apart. And then there is a T10 on the inside. That's why you need a T10. And then you need about 2 hours. And you can also stretch the little butyl tape. I'll show you that in just a second. Basically, if you take a look at this stuff, you can kind of easily stretch it out. So, like, if you want it to be thinner, or like where you maybe didn't get a whole bunch out and you kind of want it to be thinner and you still want to clip everything in, which, like, I just ended up taking this and just kind of pressing around everywhere. And, dude, they're not going anywhere. There's no way that they do. Each headlight just has 5 T30s. There's one back behind here. So that, look for that little round guy. And then it's on the back side of it. T30 there, and T30 here, 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 and here. That guy needs to come out or you're gonna have a bad time.